Hello and welcome viewers. I'm Himanshi Chaudhary and in today's episode of Let's Unfold It, we are decoding a story that's shining brighter than ever. Not because it's about gold, but because it's exposing a deep loophole in our system. Yes, we are talking about liquid gold and the sudden sharp rise in its imports. But this isn't just about the trade data. It's a tale of how clever players are bending the rules while the system is watching silently. For decades, smugglers used to sneak gold into India, hidden in baggage or even on their bodies, avoiding duties, dodging customs, and cheating the system. But now the game has changed. Gold is entering India legally, duty-free and through official channels, all thanks to a loophole in the law. Let's decode how this works. For understanding this, first we need to understand what is liquid gold. Liquid gold refers to compounds made from gold mixed with other chemicals like gold chloride or gold sulfide. These are typically used for industrial purposes in things like jewelry coating and electroplating. Now, here's the twist. These compounds are being imported duty-free from countries like UAE, Japan and Australia due to India's free trade agreement with these countries. Once they arrive in India, these compounds are processed in refineries to extract pure gold, which is then sold in the market. So what enters as an industrial input comes out as a high value gold with zero import duty paid. What do the numbers say? In fiscal year 2025, from January to March, imports of liquid gold surged 9.25 times compared to the same quarter last year. Compared to the previous quarter alone, that's 2.84 times jump. In contrast, actual gold shipments like jewelry or bars fell by 51.2%, dropping to $9.5 billion. It means more gold is now entering the country in liquid chemical form, legally and tax-free, while direct taxed imports of regular gold are declining fast. What is government doing about it? To be fair, the government had earlier shut down a similar tax dodging route where gold was brought in through alternative firms to skip custom duties. But now, this new loophole through liquid gold has opened up. So far, the Director General of Foreign Trade and the Ministry of Commerce haven't made any strong public statement or actions on the matter. However, between January and March 2025, DGFT spotted a misuse in the way traders were importing gold. Some importers were classifying these chemical compounds under duty-exempt categories, claiming they were regular industrial inputs, while in reality their hidden goal was to extract pure gold and sell it profitably. DGFT has since changed some rules to address this issue, but by that time, a large volume of duty-free liquid gold had already entered the Indian market. And yes, traders made the most of it. Gold prices are at historic highs. In fact, after the US dollar, gold has now overtaken the euro to become second largest reserve asset in the world. In countries like India, gold is not just tradition, it's an investment, a safety net, and now it's also a clever business trick. So what does it all mean? This isn't just a story of gold. It's a mirror to our system, showing how traders, regulatory gaps, and Slow responses can cost a country millions in revenue and can lead to lose trust in its institution. If you believe loopholes must be exposed before they become black holes, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.